Okay, so today we have an art integration activity with nervous tissue. I talked about this yesterday also. Are you ready with your sketch pens? Only sketch pens. We need materials required. You people have the sketch pens with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Great. So what we'll do, this is one of the most important tissue in your body. Which one? Nervous tissue. You know where it is present in your body? Nervous tissue. Don't get nervous.
ma'am, it is present in our brain.
Yes, it is present in our brain, spinal cord, and all the nerves. And all the nerves are present throughout almost, everywhere in the body. Almost. So, you know what nervous tissue is made up of?
Ma'am, nerve
Ma'am,
cells.
no.
Nerve cells, right. So, nerves are made up of nerve cells. Can you tell me the other name for nerve cell?
It
Neuron.
neuron.
Great.
Neuron.
So,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Neuron.
neuron. So, now you know today we are going to draw with this sketch pen a neuron. Only with this sketch pen only, all you have. So, you have your hand with you, left hand. Just place it in front of you. Do you know it is resembling the neuron? Can you tell me how it is resembling the neuron? What are these processes
They are
Dendrite.
called?
dendrites.
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 Exactly. Just write it down on your fingers that they are dendrites. All of you do this activity, then we can wash our hands after that, no problem. So these are all the processes which are called, just write them down. These are called dendrites. Right? Done? What is this structure then called? This one?
Cell body.
Exactly. So all of you with another sketch pen or with the same sketch pen, no problem. You can call it, draw, define it, and call it like this. This is cell body. Exactly. Drawn?
Yes, ma'am.
Enjoying the activity? After
Yes, ma'am.
that, you need to wash your hands also, you know. So, you know what is the longest process called? What is this longest process which is going on from this?
Exon.
Axon.
Exon.
Exactly. So you can write down here that this one is axon. And after axon, you have axon endings. So this becomes the structure of a neuron, right? So what is the function of these structural processes called dendrites here? Dendrites, then we have cell body, then we have axon, and then axon endings. So do you know the function of these dendrites? These are hair-like structures, processes.
Ma'am, transfer of nerve impulses.
Exactly. So they transfer nerve impulses. So you put your arrow like this to the cell body. Put your arrows like this, showing that nerve impulses are transferred from dendrites to the cell body of the neuron. Aditya, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So, inside the cell body, what do we have in the center?
Nucleus.
Nucleus.
Exactly, nucleus. Excellent. What do we have here outside the nucleus? What is this called?
Cytoplasm.
Exactly, this is
Cytoplasm.
called cytoplasm. So nerve impulses, they come through the dendrites, they pass on to the cell body, and from cell body, they go to the axon, right? So this is the pathway of travel of nerve impulses in a neuron. And you all already know that there are so millions of neurons which are joined together with the axon of this neuron is joined with the dendrite of another neuron with a small gap in between for the conduction of nerve impulses. And then, axon of another neuron is joined with the dendrites of another one, and a very small gap in between for the conduction of nerve impulses. Right? So now you know the function of your nervous system also, location of your nervous system also, where it is present, and you know the structure of nerve cell also, as you have drawn it on your body. So you have a sense, a feeling of neuron also with you. So it is very easy to remember this way when we integrate art along with our learning. Did you like this?
Absolutely, yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah?
ma'am.
Good? Enjoyed? Okay,
Yes,
I'll give you time. Okay, great, great. Okay, art integration is over. Just a minute. Stop.